Hey everyone, it's your host Samarth here, and today we are talking about rapid commission sites. And if you purchase the rapid commission sites from the link in the description, I'm also giving away my insane bundle bonuses with it. So stick with me to the end of the video as we discussed about them. So let's talk about the rapid commission sites. Right. Here we are on the sales page of rapid commission site. Okay, so what is the rapid commission site exactly? In 3 clicks, Rapid Commission site builds a host pages that replicate what I'm doing. Okay, so basically, Rapid Commission site is a one-tap commission software that brings buyer traffic to your particular site without any hustle, right? Yeah, which also results in a tidal wave of commission non-stop 24 by 7 on a compute cruise control. These autonomous commission pages make it basically impossible for you to fail and eliminate the typical barriers. Take 5 minutes to set it up and you are good to go. This is very good thing. It saves a lot of your time, right? So if you want to buy the rapid commission site, you can click in the link in description and from there you can purchase not just rapid commission sites, also my insane bundle bonuses as well with them. Okay, so how does rapid commission site works? You see, there are two main components involved when it comes to making money online: traffic targeted and something to sell, right? Properly combine those two together, and you have practical got a license to print money. That's a very good line there, which is exactly what rapid commission site does. Okay, don't have traffic? How do they solve the problem? Rapid commission site gets you traffic by creating unique content and ranking it to top of the Google. Okay. And don't worry, you won't need to be a thing about SEO and won't need to pay a penny for this traffic, which is good, which means you get 100% of your profit you make. Who doesn't want 100% profit, right? So, don't have anything to sell? That's problem is also covered up. Rapid Commission site comes up preloaded with a wide variety of different affiliate offers. When someone buy through your link, you get a commission on the sale, which is pretty basic, I guess. So if you purchase the Rapid Commission site and you log into members area, how does it look like? What is offer? Let's just check it out. So here we are on the members area of the Rapid Commission site. So as you can say, first section is called automation, right? In that section, you can select pretty much select the website you can promote or you want to decorate. Then you got integrations. Next section. In integration, you can connect your different kind of accounts like get response, app webinar, Facebook, and everything you want to get. On the third, we have dashboard, right? On a dashboard, you can see everything, your pages, your unique views, and everything in one page. This is very amazing, right? And as we go down to the menu, you can see different types: high ticket maximizer, traffic boosters, retailers, reseller rights, bonuses, and in the right end, you also get training. So if you click the training, here are the done for you training videos. You can watch them easily and learn how to make money online via using the rapid commission sites. Okay, so now let's talk about my insane bonuses, right? Which we talked earlier. Okay, here you are on my insane bundle bonus page. So if you click the link in the description, you will direct it to this page. And in this page, if you purchase the rapid commission site from my page, you'll get every bonus that I've been gonna talk about in a while. So new app builds an automated set and forget site that drive free buyer traffic to themselves or overnight. This is very big claim for the rapid commission site. And the prices for the rapid commission site starts from $897 and it goes, if you choose rapid commission traffic generator, that's $697. If you want to opt for done for you content, that's $497. And if you go to site training, that's $297, right? And for white glove support, and it's the priceless, but that's not the price you're gonna get, right? If you early bird, your price will be much more less than that. Okay, so let's test drive rapid commission site for 30 days with zero risk. That's 100% guarantee, my friends. So get the rapid commission and now get all the bonuses as we talk about it, right? So bonus number one is Link Supercharger software, the powerful solution to generate a more traffic, brand your domain, and maximize your commission. Create a super quick, customer friendly, direct links. You can add in on the rapid commission sites as well to maximize your profit on your every sale, right? On our bonus number two, we got a bonus library. Get a super wheel, the silver level pass with 100 of products to download and offer as a bonus in your promotion. You can get so many bonuses that you want to add in your future products if you want to give away to your customers, right? Okay, let's talk about bonus number three. In bonus number three, I'm giving a effective content marketing. Learn the same content marketing techniques the pro use to make more money easier. This you must get it. You will learn so many new things via this, right? Let's talk about the bonus number four. We got special bonus in bonus number four. You can access all your vendor bonuses in your members area once you purchased it via the link in the description, right? So go click the button below, claim your free instant bonuses, and get your rapid commission sites as well. So that's all from my side about rapid commission sites. To your success, this is Samarth Joshi, MK.